Welcome, dear friend. I invite you to join our VIP room because you can benefit a lot. I will show you statistic, how it works, example, how we cooperate, and let's start. My name is Yuri. I'm top author in TradingView, and at this moment I would like to share with you this information about our VIP room. First, as you can see, it is result for this month inside in our VIP room. As you can see, 105%. Just imagine it. My friends, I know that many of you are looking for some signals or something like that when you search internet. Remember that the most important stuff which you need, it is experience, and you need a place where you can share your trade and ideas. That's why we create this VIP room. As you can see, on everyday basis, we share our trading plans. As you can see, our trading plan, trade ideas. As you can see, for today, I sent nearly as you can see, nearly 6 or 7 instruments. It's only today, which you possibly can trade. Also here, as you can see, we share our trades which we already took. Take a look, for example, like compound. A few days ago, we opened a position on compound, as you can see, at breakout. And take a look at what's going on with compound. Major problem of compounds that it hit our stop loss only after that broke. Today in the morning, as you can see, we trade breakout of trend line with our VIP room. As you can see, after that we share our trades. As you can see, many people here inside, they can ask questions and we reply to them. As you can see, many people also open a position with on BNB and also made good profits. That's why let's open testimonials, and after that I would share with you exactly what you can get by when you will be inside in VIP room. First one, my friends, as you can see, some testimonials you can read. You can read all of these feedbacks. It is inside in our free. Some people made 300%. Remember that there are also stop losses. Would be it is not like we share that we only make money. Sometimes would be stop losses, would be red days. But my friends, our knowledge, our experience will help you become really better. As you can see how it works. When people first come into our VIP room, first you need to read rules. After that, it's important to read start because you will read tutorial. After that, brokers, which we recommend you to use. Support, as you can see, we have 3 team members. You can write to them and ask your questions if you need some help. For example, you don't understand how to use our VIP room, you can ask, make a call. Colleagues will help you. Another example, the top news, as you can see, top news. Also my best patterns, as you can see, lessons. When some people ask us questions about some important topics, we all of those topics we share with them here. It is our library with knowledge. Also, as you can see, we have forex room, but we far more active on FX on crypto VIP room. Here, as you can see, we don't have signals. We share with you our trades. This stuff would be the most useful for those people that would finish our educational program, because you will have a lot of practice. Like, you educate yourself, and after that you can trade with us for a few months and build your experience like a student which made more than 105%. That's why. Also, as you can see, all important data about Bitcoin, so many chart analysis, as you can see, for many people, you can read a lot of stuff. Also, community, top VIP room members and students also share their trade ideas here, and many people also can use them. That's why, my friend, if you want to get such results, first you need to join our VIP room and also education program, because only in that case it will work and it will be beneficial for you. See you soon. Bye.